Ugh. It's just making my nose run. And stuffy. I'm gonna need both hands for this. I'm still stuffy. Oh well, I think I'm done playing with my nose for now.